Hi, this is Carrie Dalton Hall, and today I want to show you a very simple way to install the video WordPress Lightbox into your pages or blog posts. And what a Lightbox, a video Lightbox, is basically just a pop-up of the actual video. So instead of it just being embedded into the page here, it would look something like this. When people click on it, it pops up, and that looks really nice like that. I love that. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to install the WordPress Video Lightbox with plugin, of course. And I'm going to assume you know how to do all this. You plug it in, or you go down to their site and upload it and install it. And it's WP Video Lightbox is the plugin that you're going to be looking for. So once you've installed that and activated it, then you're going to want to go over to their guide and grab a simple code. Now, in the bottom of this video, in the description box, I'm going to put a link to that guide. Here it is here. This is what it looks like, and it actually tells you a few other things that you can do and gives you the codes for a bunch of different stuff. And I'm going to include the code that we're using today, as well as the link to this guide in the description below this video. But for right now, we're going to grab this code. Which one is it? This one here, embedding the YouTube video. I'll pause this for a second. Okay, and then you want to go over and start a new post. And we'll just call this testing Lightbox. And you can put it on the visual, and you just pop that code in there. And now what you're going to do is very easy. You're going to put the video ID here. You can leave the width and height if you want to. And then I'm going to show you how to find this anchor, which is the image that will pop up to show the video. So you go over to your YouTube and you simply grab the ID, and I'm again assuming that you know how to do that. If you don't know how to do that, when you just go to YouTube and you after the equal sign in the URL, it has a bunch of letters and numbers, and that's the YouTube ID number, and you just want to put that in there where it says XX. Okay, and there's a little space there, and then you can leave the width and height, and it's the anchor that you want, and that's the image that you're going to use. I usually make it with a little arrow, so it's obvious that it's an image. You can take just a screen capture, a screenshot of the video that you're going to use, however you want to do it. And then what you're going to do is you're going to add it to your media, upload the file, and have it in your media library. And then you choose from your library. We'll just do the same one as I did before. You choose that one here. You come over here and you scroll down, and you'll see put it none, put link to none. And actually, I'm going to cancel this for a second. I forgot to do one thing. Make sure you put your cursor in the right place before you do that. So I just put a couple of spaces before this code. And I'm going to put that picture before the code, and then we'll erase it afterwards once we grab what we need. So do that again, click on that, none, insert into post. Okay, and there it is. And then what you're going to do is you go over to the text, so you're looking at the coding, and all you need is one little snippet of code, and it's the source. So in between the quotes, after the source there, you want to grab in between the quotes, right to the end where it says JPEG, and then copy that, Control-C, and then anchor, you just copy and just paste that there with the anchor, where the anchor code is being asked for. And then you publish it. Now make sure you do delete this part right here once you're done taking the code that you need, because you'll see in a few minutes what happens when you don't. You just installed a picture there, and once you've taken the code, make sure you go ahead and erase that because otherwise you're going to have a picture there that you don't want, and you'll see I forgot to do that, and you'll see the results in a minute. And let's take a look. View post. There it is. Oops, I had it on there twice for some reason. Okay, and so click on it. Let's see the second one that's working. And there you go. So this is a little bit of a screwy video, but I don't feel like doing it all over again. I think you get the gist. It's actually really easy. And look for those links at the bottom here. I'll post the code in there, as well as that Lightbox guide URL. Okay, so I hope this helps, and have fun with your videos.